Today we're at the Imaginarium, or IMAG, History and Science Center in Fort Myers, Florida. This is a hands-on science and history museum and aquarium.
Wow!
Hi and welcome to Aiken Adventures.
Where we're taking you to do all the best things in all the best places all around Florida.
Today we're taking you to the IMAG in Fort Myers, Florida. You'll enter the museum through the gift shop. The building was originally a water treatment facility, but in the 90s it was converted to a science museum. This is of course the reason for its iconic water tower. Scan the QR code at the front to be directed to the museum map on their website. Be sure to observe the list of show times for all of the different things that are available throughout the day. We'll also place a link in the description below. And then the first exhibit is the sea-to-sea touch tank. Off to the left is an exhibit about the World War II in Southwest Florida. And now we're off to the living lab.
Vivian's really exciting about this living lab portion because she's really into little insects and animals right now. What is it?
A little spider.
Wow!
My favorite part in this section is that there's a memorial aquarium for the USS Mohawk.
Turtles! Found turtles and spiders.
It's not spider.
She said it's not a spider, it's a tarantula. Show me the frog. Where is he? There he is, he's hiding.
Ew, yucky.
This tank over here is full of lionfish, which, invasive as they might be, they really are interesting looking fish.
There's little baby alligators in this tank. She's having so much fun trying to figure out what's in each little box. Look at that! What is that? Swimming frog? Wow! And it's really nice that almost all of these little boxes are on her level so that she can see everything. I'm pretty sure she could spend all day long in this section.
Next, we're heading back across the lobby over to the exhibit hall. In this section, we found numerous hands-on exhibits.
In this corner is an engineer lab where they can learn to build different things. Your children are going to love this section.
Then right over here, you can take a walk through history. Here you can learn all about Florida agriculture, native peoples, the railroad, the fishing industry, and so much more. This gallery features photography from the Hubble Space Telescope. Now we're heading off to the live animal show in the theater. In this show, we learned some interesting facts about the history of the Imaginarium and where all the animals around here came from.
So this little guy is just about 14 weeks old. This is still a baby. I was actually somebody's pet. From sub-Saharan Africa, these guys are super popular as pets, and that's actually how we got pets. But people are assuming that he either escaped his cage or somebody let him go in North Fort Myers.
Now we're gonna hop in the line to pet the ball python.
Thank you.
Of course. Hey Fanny, what do you say?
You are very welcome. Thanks for coming. Here, you can touch him again.
Just right there.
Robbie.
Touch him.
Good job.
Is he soft and smooth?
Yeah, he looks like.
Now we're gonna check out the Waterworks exhibit. In this exhibit, your child can learn all about the different ways and reasons for redirecting water. Honestly, it's just a good excuse to get wet in the middle of the summer. Now onto the elevator and up to the second floor. The first exhibit we'll look at on the second floor is called Science on a Sphere. Throughout the day, there are demonstrations that explain all about the weather and seasons.
What it does, all that fun stuff. Then also about how to actually use the big key and then click whatever you want to be projected up on the screen. Going in no particular order here, this one's actually Jupiter. Now, Jupiter is 11 times the size of Earth. You won't be able to tell here because our sphere only comes in one size, right? But Jupiter is known as the largest planet.
Vivian's favorite was interacting with the Google Earth wall. There's also a full exhibit all about the weather. And a section of it is sponsored by local channel 2. So Vivian got to take a stab at being a meteorologist. This tugboat behind me used to operate on the Caloosahatchee River. It was called the Aunt Jemima because of its flat pancake shape. And right here is a mining experience. You can buy the gemstones inside and do some fossil mining. Over here is the Lake Okeechobee Caloosahatchee Aquarium. And now we're off to the backyard nature trail. There's an exhibit about aquaponics. Now we're headed to the Fisheye Lagoon. Inside of this pond, you'll find all different kinds of turtle and fish. Now we're gonna head over to the whisper dishes and see if Vivian can hear me. I'm supposed to be able to whisper over here, and she should be able to hear me all the way over there behind me. Can you hear me, Vivian? Are you whispering into the dish? You have to talk to the dish.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think she's doing it right.
Do you want to go to the playground tomorrow? Oh. Do you want to go to the playground for a little bit?
She wants to switch. Maybe that'll fix it. And don't forget to stop by the 3D Theater. A full schedule of shows is located just outside of the theater.
We want to thank IMAG for hosting us today.
And if you'd like to know more of great things to do while you're in the Fort Myers, Florida area,
Click this video right here.
when you get hungry, they have like a snack house here, but it has full-on meals. There are barbecue smoked brisket sandwiches, Philly cheesesteak, Cuban sandwiches, chicken parm, chicken tenders, quesadillas, mac and cheese, Caesar salad, all kinds of stuff.